Hello friends, I am back with electricity. Today I will show you how to do soldering easily. See, this is my solder box. This is the soldering machine. This is the soldering machine. Now, these are all the other tools which is needed in soldering. First, I will put the cord in the electric plug like this. And so first let me show you how to add the wire in the applicant. See, we will put the cord in this and like this. See, I will take this tape and stick it and stick the wire here so that it does not move. Now I will turn on the switch. Now this is started working. You have to wait some time. See, it has burned. See, now I will keep it here. See, it has been soldered. Thank you for watching my video. Please watch other videos to learn more about electricity and science. Bye bye friends.